DJT stock analysis tomorrow and onward in this 1 minute video. I'm telling you whether Trump media stock is a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. So the way that I'm looking at Trump media is that it's like, although like this looks very poor, like very bearish and whatnot, this is actually something that I'm actually just sitting in the demand area from, and this like it is pretty much like one trading day away from us getting in a crazy buy, because this can all happen in one day where we just simply have this double break and then on like we're just kind of on this, you know. So it might be Monday, it might not be Monday, but all it needs to give me is a decent double break towards the upside. And guess what I'm gonna do in the meantime? I'll just be ready, have my finger on the trigger and be ready to jump in if the rules gives me the rules. Other than that, if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free and want to make more money by taking less trades, all reviews are 5 stars. Click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.